my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful day. So in this video today, guys, I want to talk about how to make $1,000 off your YouTube channel. Alright, now this is a video a lot of people has been requesting and asking me, hey Cater, how can I get to make $1,000? I know you help a lot of people, you know, how to make $1,000. So I'll break it down and give you some strategies on the side of this video. So if you're excited, definitely click the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you feel, okay? This is to help you, and also you can help a brother out by doing that, okay? So let's break it down real simple. You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen for yourself, guys. I can tell you, you can change your life. First way to make $1,000, one of the best way to make $1,000 is AdSense, because you really don't have to think about it, and that's the number one way I want to recommend. So the goal is, if you got a brand new YouTube channel, is to get it to 1,000 subscribers and also get the 4,000 hour watch time. And the best way to do that, guys, is to create content. You have to create content. You have to get yourself on a schedule at least where you can get at least one video out every week. Now, what I recommend people to do to get to the 1,000 subscribers a lot faster is to just go ahead and, if you have other social platform and if you have friends on those social platform, grab them, tell them to go subscribe to your YouTube channel, or create some type of strategy. One of the strategies that I created with my wife, and she got 1,000 subscribers on really fast, is by creating a community that's into your niche, something that you're passionate about, or they have the same passion. If your YouTube channel is gonna be about makeup, well, you want to find all the girls that is into makeup and then put them into a Facebook group and tell them go subscribe to your YouTube channel. That will get you to your 1,000 subscribers a lot faster. Same thing for other niches. If you're into the cooking industry, you love to cook food, whatever the case is, you need to see how you can leverage your other social media platform. And that includes your cell phone. Like your phone, you have a bunch of contacts on your phone. If you have over 1,000 contacts on your phone, well, go ahead and send each one of them a message. And say, hey, go subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you want to actively, instead of waiting, you know, till you be found by YouTube exactly in the beginning when you first getting started. It can get very, you know, hard to get found in the search engine and all that stuff, or waiting. So you want to actively get yourself to that level of 1,000 subscribers so that you can be monetized as soon as possible. And soon you monetize, you can go ahead and put up your AdSense, and you can start making videos and put your AdSense inside of the video so that you can start making money. Now your AdSense money will vary every month. Like this month for myself, this is how much I make with AdSense. But this time it goes up all the way to like 5,000. But the last 6 months, I've been focusing into helping my students and also helping my wife. This is how much she makes. Look, she makes way more than me. I got more subscribers than her. But now it's really about the production. It's not really about the amount of subscribers you have, it's how much views your videos are getting, how much production you're putting in. She put more videos than me this month and she get more views, so therefore she makes more money. So that's the thing with AdSense. You have to constantly be producing content and have ad playing on those videos so that you can earn ad revenue. So the second way that you can actually start making money and get to $1,000 with YouTube is through affiliate. Now affiliate, there's so much that is covered when it comes to affiliate marketing. There's so many ways you can go about it, so many arenas. And you don't have to be monetized in order for you to start making affiliate commissions. Like for example, one of the best affiliate program you can get started with is Amazon. Amazon, you can almost find anything on, whether it's a physical product, whether it's a cookware in your house, or whether it's a fan like the one back there. You can actually refer people to get that fan and get paid, or whether it's that computer behind me, or this tissue box, whatever. You can have anything as an Amazon associate and get paid from it. The key is to structure it. If you have a channel that is about, you know, decorating and cake, well, if you're gonna teach people how to make the cakes like you make them, well, guess what? They're gonna need a KitchenAid mixer like you got. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you got something else. But whatever you got, you're gonna introduce them to it, and guess what? They're gonna go to Amazon and buy it through your link, and you're gonna end up making commissions. Like right now, currently, I think we've already sold on this channel over $70,000 worth of Amazon products, and then they pay your commissions out of that, guys. And so what I started doing is every videos that we make, on the video in the description, you will see that all the gears that I use, like the camera that I use, the microphone that I use, I put all those gears in the description, so people click those links and they ended up buying on Amazon, and therefore you ended up making a commission. So remember, there's people that's watching you that's probably gonna have interest into what you're doing. That's more likely the reason why they're watching you. So if they decide to do what you do exactly how you do it, if you give them a guide and tell them, hey, those are the tools that I use, that's what I recommend you to use, guess what? They're gonna wanna get the same tools that you got, which in turn makes you money by being an Amazon affiliate. Another place called Share Sales. Share Sales, you'll find a lot of different companies on there where you can do affiliate for them. Like my wife, she does DIY with Dollar Tree stuff, right? You wouldn't even think, right? Dollar Tree. But she'll put the Dollar Tree item and look, this is how much they actually ended up paying her just for doing Dollar Tree stuff. So Dollar Tree, like stuff that are $1. You might say, well, there's no money in stuff that are $1, but if you use your mind right with affiliate marketing, you know, those dollars, they start piling up when someone buy 100 of these things instead of just one. So if you gain 10% commission, there you go, you just made $10. And if 1,000 people buy it, you see how it can just add up as your videos start piling up? Whether it's makeup gear from Dollar Tree, I don't think there's any makeup gears in Dollar Tree, but possible, right? You can possibly teach someone how to do their makeup for cheap, or how to do their makeup under $100 or under $10. Whatever the case is. And then there's another site called Ebates. Ebates is another place that we cash out, because people from Ebates, when you get them to get an account, they get cash back. So people love the idea of shopping and getting cash back. But Ebates, they partnered up with all the big stores, and then in returns, when you send them an affiliate, they give you an affiliate commissions and they make you money. It's like $25 for every person that you refer. Okay, another way you can start making $1,000 with your channel is brand deals. Now, brand deals is usually gonna happen when you start having at least 10,000 subscribers or more. In the beginning, I would recommend you concentrate on that. There's a website called Fanbit. We actually used them before. Or you can go on there, and as you start building other platform, you'll start having, there's gonna be different brands reaching out to you. So very recommend you to look at your emails, because if you have a YouTube channel, you start blowing up, check your emails every single day, because a lot of the time people is receiving emails from different brands. Sometimes it goes to the spam folder. So make sure you check out your email once your channel start growing, because those brands, guess what? A lot of them, they realize we're gonna use those micro channels. We don't want to use, you know, just the TV advertisement anymore, radio advertisement, because it's so broad. But if you have a channel that has 10,000 people and you teaching people how to do, let's say you're teaching people how to play video games, and a video game company come at you, they know those 10,000 people, they are truly interested in video game versus, you know, marketing from a TV channel where there's billions of people watching, but none of them are truly interested in that specific content, or it's just a slim amount, and it's kind of hard to reach those specific people at a specific time because you don't know when they're watching. But if you have a channel, it's all about the core. Guess what? Whenever you post a video, if it's 50,000 people that's on your channel, they know they are into that stuff. They're gonna watch, so they're willing to put their money out there with you. So definitely always check your emails as you start growing, so that you can start getting some brand deals. And also, if you have other source, other platform, or if you bring other things to the table, that's not just YouTube, you can tell them I have other resources. Like if you build an email list, like we have an email list that has over 100,000 people in a different niche, then I can tell them, hey, you know what, my YouTube channel will get you, you know, whatever amount of views, but I have this email list of 10,000 people or 100,000 people. If I email them for you with the same offer, I email them the video, guess what? You're gonna get more exposure. So I want more money because I have more resources. So if you create resources off of your YouTube, let's say you build an Instagram page also in that niche, you can tell them this is X amount for me to reach the Instagram also, because I'm reaching a different audience. I'm reaching people on that platform also. When they see that, they're gonna be willing to pay you more. Okay, Now, to get to $1,000 a month with YouTube, you could create your own course. You know, you don't have to be a total expert. You know, if you know how to get someone from point A to B into something, you can get them there. You can promise them a strategy and deliver results. Well, you can teach people how to do certain things. Like right now, I'm making a video. Something as simple as this, as mundane as this. There's people that don't know how to make videos, and I could make a course teaching them how to make a YouTube video and how to upload it to YouTube. Would someone want to learn how to do that? Heck yeah, because YouTube is like a gold mine. The internet is like a gold mine now. If people know how to extract cash to stay home with their family, and now I had the opportunity to watch my girls start school as a father, it's like so amazing to see them grow from being so little to now going to school, starting school, and going through the process. And I'm part of the whole process, dropping them to school, and it's amazing, it's fun, and I make money just wherever, just by making those videos like you're seeing here. But I have other businesses, of course, but I'm saying YouTube is a source of revenue. If I can teach someone how to do that, and of course, would they pay me? Matter of fact, I do. I'm going to put a course down in the description down below called YC Profit Maximizer. That's my course that teaches you how to maximize your profit on YouTube, how to use YouTube and leverage it as a platform to make money. So if you want to learn that, just like I said, you can create your own course. I got a bunch of courses. So this is one of the courses down below you can actually get. So you can create your own course, and it could be, you know, something into, hey, teaching people how to eat natural food, natural plant-based diet. What do they need? So if you have information in that, you can combine that information and compile it together in a place where they can find it. You might say, Cater, why would someone pay me to learn how to do that when they could go on the internet and just learn from the internet? True, but the internet, the information is scattered all over the place, right? People sometimes don't want to do research, or they might want to just learn from you based on the results that you got, and they want to have the same process that you have. And that's why creating something that you do yourself can still have impact, even though the internet gives people access to millions of information. There's millions of videos, there's millions of data and blogs and stuff like that, but if they like you, they still buy your product and your stuff as you create it. All right. Another way you can do that, let's talk about once your channel grow, you can have membership site on your channel. You can actually create a membership site on your channel through YouTube, and they have super chat also. So with AdSense revenue, YouTube takes about 45% of your revenue, you get 55%. Meaning when we have our channel do $1,000, that's what we get. We really don't make $1,000. We more likely do like $1,800, and YouTube takes the other $800 and we get $1,000. You know, so if you're getting like $10,000 of your channel is more likely to do close to $20,000. YouTube takes the 45% and you get the 55%. Now, kind of the same thing with Super Chat and membership site. They take about 30%, I think. It's kind of less than just the regular ads on AdSense. So you still, like, let's say someone give you $1,000 or give you $100 on a Super Chat live. YouTube ended up getting 30% of that. You get 70. You know, therefore, you know, there's some people who actually create their own buttons or do different places, like maybe Instagram or Facebook, if they have their fan follow them there so that they can get all the money instead of getting half of the money. But for other people, sometimes it's more convenient to do it on YouTube, so they just do it on the platform as they, you know, doing the live and people actually giving them Super Chat and money like that. All right. The next way you can incorporate so you can get to $1,000 is to do coaching services. Now, I offer coaching and I do consulting. So for people to get on the phone with me for 1 hour, I charge them a cost. Like if they go down below, you will see you can go to my funnel where I charge people to get on the phone with me because my time is very valuable. Time is the only thing in a day that we cannot make more of. We can make more money, we can make more of these boxes, we can make more product, but nobody can make more time. So it's a very finite asset. So therefore, you know, you want to see like how much your time is worth to you. Like if you're going to spend time with someone, if you're going to do a coaching service, you must make it worth it to you because you never get your time back. If you're going to do a consulting service where you're spending time on the phone with someone, you better charge for it because you never get your time back. And I know it can be very intimidating in the beginning. We don't know our self-worth. We don't know how much we should charge. We don't know our value. A lot of the time when I tell people, if you want to realize and base your time, go find someone who's already charging for their time, pay them for their time, see their content, and understand how you can relatively get started. You know, it doesn't mean that you have to charge the same price as them. You can charge more or less, whatever you feel comfortable with, but invest into yourself first. It makes the investment or asking for someone else to invest into you a lot easier because you did it for yourself. So therefore you understand you value someone else's time, and other people should value your time. That's another way you can start making money. You know, last but not least, you can sell merchandise. You know, talking about t-shirt now, even YouTube allow you to plug in your Teesprings, and you can sell t-shirts, bags, and mugs, and cups, and all that stuff. Once you collide all of that stuff together, guys, I just give you at least 7 or 8, I think, in this video, that you can start making $1,000 even before you get monetized with AdSense, and then take it to AdSense and start making more. Anyway, that was your boy Kader. Hopefully this video was valuable to you. Drop a comment down below. Do you have a channel right now? Are you currently creating income? Are you trying any other strategy that I mentioned to you? Anyway, if you make it to the end of this video, let me know what you think down below. Click on this video right up there and you'll see how I help my wife start making money with YouTube. And click over there and it'll show you more strategy on how to crush it with utilizing YouTube. Talk to you later. Bye.